What? Go limp right.
All right. Got that. Got that.
I love your silence.
All right, I'm going to go through the first one so that I can set up video on the other side, take pictures of you guys going through so that I can watch it later and laugh a lot.
That's not even
This first one, when we get down here, this first one, there's a, we get down here, there's a column in the middle of the passage, and we're going to go to the left of the column, and right after that is a hole about this big around, but there's a column in the middle. So you get to pick whether you go through the left or the right.
Oh, everybody, we start left.
Okay.
This one.
Definitely. Okay. All right. And I'm going to try to make all this.
Can the GoPro hear us? Y'all know y'all left and right. Can the GoPro hear us?
Yeah, you got to kind of watch your language because I don't want to have to go through and beat things out. Yeah, I had to do that once. That was so hard to do because I missed a couple and then they emailed me back. Hey, you missed that.
She a potty mouth. So is she.
Potty mouth. Oh no.
She gonna DNA kill you.
Everybody can tell your language.
Okay, 3 points of contact, guys. Remember that.
Yo, lock in. There's a easy man. Get out here.
Are these like steps?
Basically, it's the way down.
Yo, it's slippery.
What could be a water?
Very slippery.
But what is that?
It's the stuff he was talking
It's the
about.
icing. I bet you want it.
What?
I'm just throwing it in here.
Oh, yeah, we go to the left. We go to the left. Well, my feet are getting stuck to the ground. Yeah, we go to this way.
You're fitting to the easy side.
Okay, just wait until I get set up and then you can come through, okay? Okay, just hold up for a few minutes here.
Yeah. Yo, get up here. He said don't go yet.
Just hold up.
No, this way. Come up.
Use your butt.
How you switch it? He said wait. You impatient little kids.
I should turn it on.
See, no, you gotta, when you come up, you gotta grab around this part here, and pull yourself up. It's really easy. When I'm through, no, wait until I'm through, and then you come up.
Huh.
I just gotta wait for him to say I can come in. In the deep dark hills of Texas.
There we go.
In the deep dark hills of Texas. Anybody know about the deep dark hills of Texas? Come on, through now.
Come on. That's the wrong way.
Which way is the harder side?
It's up to you.
Low key, I'm going to this side. I'm a little too big for that one.
This is just not working for me today here.
Can I come through?
Not yet. Okay, hold up.
I was so ready.
Almost got it. Changing on me. Okay, come on through.
Yeah, ready? You can go. I'm built for this.
There you go. Very good. Very good.
2 weeks. Ow.
Come on in. Wait for your buddy.
My buddy right here.
Come on, have a seat.
I hit my head, bro. I forgot how short this is, bro.
You tested out the helmet?
Yeah.
It works?
Yes, it does.
Good.
My knees.
Go. I remember this. We go up there, don't we?
Yep. That's it.
No. Stay back.
There we go.
See? You got it, Cyrus.
All right. If you guys want to start headed down there, you can do that and stand down there and wait for me down there, okay?
I
Oh, man, he's testing the helmet too.
I don't like how I have to shimmy through there.
That's crazy. Thank you, I missed that.
We're waiting here. We're gonna go up.
How the fuck do I overstimulated, guys?
There we go.
Go down, up.
Come on, you got this.
Put them here.
You gotta go cave diving, not you.
You pick which way you want.
Cave diving, not you.
I'm already dirty. You just started.
I'm not talking about this cave diving.
There you go.
I'm not talking about this cave diving.
Oh my god.
It's tiny in here.
Can the camera see me? Hi, fans!
Jesus. I'm just come on my knees because I'm too.
Rolling too much. It's
Go on down. Go on down to the room.
Go down, go down.
Tripping forward. Yo, sorry, you gotta chill out, cat, bro. Oh, that's always play.
Thank you, I know it's bad.
Just stay with your buddy. Go down to the room.
Any girl that's in front of me, I feel that.
There we go.
I can't GoPro.
You're testing the helmet too, huh?
He's gonna watch the Alright, Papa. I did that door, it just like slipped out like a slip.
No. You did that too easily.
I did that quick and down, but I don't know how. My thighs are fit. I think it's because me and Barbara did it because it's smaller.
There we go.
Is that actually how I'm supposed to do it?
Yeah, you did it perfect.
There's no
There we go. Getting through.
You got it, Mike. You got it.
I'm not any more graceful than you. I think I'm going to make a series of videos of Mike going through the. There we go. All right, awesome.
I heard you got one of the counselors last time that fell down there. He's like, it's a video of me, and then it's a video of me falling the next one.
All right, here we go.
I forgot this is you have to crawl through this point.
What's that?
I forgot you had to crawl through this point.
All right, let's get on down there. Somebody lost a piece of helmet. That's all right. All right. So I gotta get down there.
You feel how cool it is?
I guess.
How did you get up there? It's so cool.
No dancing. It's not allowed in here.
No fun in the cave.
No fun in the cave. This is serious.
Exactly.
Super
Oh, my bad.
Oh, my bad.
Our bad.
Serious.
I'm not gonna go.
I forget what that was.
You have a choice. You can go where Alice is going, or there's an easier way to go.
All right, let me scoot down here.
We going up?
Now I'm gonna want to stand where you are.
I never went down the down way though.
I want to go down the down way.
Okay,
Which down way?
here we go.
That way?
The up way's harder.
Listen up. There's two.
Guys, listen up.
Okay. With this room, there's several passages. There's the one we came in that way.
I'm not going down that way.
There's one that way that's really tight. And I don't want to do that because I got stuck in there once.
We ain't going there.
No, we're not doing that.
There's another passage over here which is really tight. I don't fit in there anymore. There's one back here somewhere. And then there's this one here. We're going to do this one here.
We gotta climb up.
We're going to go up. Yeah.
We gotta climb up.
And what we're going to do,
We got this.
we've got a couple of ways to do this.
We're not going
Please listen.
Oh my god, this is bad.
Listen to how we're going to do this. Easy. Take it easy.
You're flinging me around.
I'm helping you.
You got 5 contact points.
One way, listen up. One way to do this, to go underneath this rock. Come up on the other side of this rock, Boost yourself up here. There's a hole in the wall that you can use for a foothold. And do that. And boost yourself up. You're going to go
Wait,
up
on all these rocks and come right back.
this crack here all the way up until you can stand up
My knee is.
Can I go first?
in that next room.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Who's done
I'll
who's
go
done
first.
that?
I've done it before.
Ladies first.
Late?
Let Miguel go
Listen,
first.
guys.
Slow down, slow down. There's also on the outside part here where you
Can I go
right here. Foot here, foot up here, foot up here, and then go up on the outside. If you do the outside, you gotta let me know because I gotta spot you going up, okay? Because you're a little iffy.
You do everything but the normal way.
But if you want to go under here, you don't need a spot. Just go.
Let me take the harder way.
All right. Go to. Don't
Guys,
climb
you
up.
listen up.
No, underneath the rock.
Go underneath?
Underneath,
Why underneath?
and on the, and then on the other side of it.
Probably someone fell last.
Right there. Yeah. There you go. Now you go up. All right. Anybody doing the outside?
I think I got in next.
Yes. All right.
What's the outside way?
Tori, hold me.
Foot.
You have to go with your
Okay.
I'm going the inside.
Foot here.
Well, guess what?
Foot
I need
here.
my partner. I don't know.
Oh, I want to go
You
there.
gotta hold on to that and that
My partner's
stump.
all the way up there.
Just keep your body over top of your feet as you go. Okay.
My partner.
That's it. That's it.
My partner. Can I go before you start getting my partner?
That's it.
Isn't that one?
Perfect.
Okay, I'm going after you.
Perfect. You guys are doing really good. All right.
Look at all these cave divers. Look at all these cavers.
How you playing me, bro? I heard that.
Come on, just go up.
Anybody else doing on the outside?
No.
It's not that bad. I know it's not.
I like the outside.
I didn't know it was outside.
No.
For me, it is.
It all depends on who you are, bro.
Okay, well, I don't know who I am.
I don't like stooping down.
For your pride.
No, they're singing. No. No.
That's worse than this.
Someone's gonna post this on YouTube and we're gonna go famous for singing Trust.
Okay, don't get too close to the person in front of you. Because if they have to back up, you're going to get a
My
boot
partner's
full
all the way
of
up there. Like,
mud.
what is he doing?
Anybody else, do you want to go outside?
I got the bag on. I don't think
I'm scared.
Foot.
You got this. Use your arms straight.
Okay,
Use your arms
hold
straight.
on to that stump and this shelf.
Hold up, she needs.
That's it.
Come out, do the up way. Do the up way. Is it easier? Yeah.
That's it.
No, I don't get good grip. So go up there, he'll help you. You'll get better grip.
Someone kick you.
Come down. Come down. Come
Yes, you can. I'll get you up in a sec.
Yeah.
Put, here. In the wall. Take a look in this wall over here. Okay. Do you see where my hand is?
down there. Down there.
There's a hole. There's a hole
I
there.
haven't
Put
been
your foot
putting
in that hole.
exercise like this in so long.
There you go.
Exactly.
There you go.
There you go.
Go a little
That's
bit.
my girl.
Yes.
That's not my girl. Locking queen.
Yes, Autumn.
Should I just said, told her to figure it out?
Maybe that joke was out of season. Sahara. Remember that?
All right.
I'm coming.
You good? Go ahead. Go ahead. You're good.
Wait for me. Don't come up. Wait, don't come up yet. Don't come up yet. He's going. Let him go first. I'll tell you when you can come up.
Can you fall like in there?
Probably.
Where?
You're gonna break. You fall everywhere. You can
Yeah.
fall right here.
Yeah. You have to be careful. It's all up to you.
I'll tell you when. I'll tell you.
Very good.
Okay, you're good.
I'm gonna.
Oh, your pride.
Okay, you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, foot here. A foot here.
I mean, like, if that doesn't
put a
work,
foot
then
up
I'll
here.
just, like, I'll just go that way.
So I'm going to put my hand here so you don't slide
This
off.
part scares me a little
And
bit.
I've got you this
Have
way.
you
in
done?
case
Have
you
Is
you
the
need-
rest
you got this,
easier?
Sophie?
Go ahead.
Have you been this
Go
way
for it.
before?
Go
You got
for
this,
it.
Sophie?
Go ahead.
There you go. So
That's it. Perfect.
That's my go.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm going.
All right.
If you want to go, I'll stay at the end.
You want to stay at the end? Okay. Is anybody else going on the outside?
I'm not going outside. So.
Okay. Okay, so I'll head on up there then, Mike. Thank you.
Good spot here.
Did you want to get up?
Oh no, you go.
There we go. Doing good.
Where do I go?
See that hole right there in the wall? Put your foot in that hole.
This hole?
Yeah.
Stand up.
And boost yourself up.
Just back up.
Let me use my strength. Hold on.
There you go.
Where's Alopecia? Now what do I do?
Oh, come on up, follow me.
I'm trying.
Where is her?
All right. Hey guys, why don't you come back this way some?
Don't say that ever again. I'm just nasty. I'm coming, queens and kings.
Hey, you got something in your hair. It's red.
Oh, it's not here.
It's terrible being an old man. I get to do all those stupid things.
Oh my god, that was scary.
Okay, come on back here, guys.
My head.
Come on back here. Come on back in. We're going to stay in this room for a minute.
Hurry up.
I can't.
Because I got to get over there.
Yeah, so I moved up here so you can.
Oh my.
Where's the hot dog? I'm right here. She's over here. I made it, guys. Yay. Oh, I love
Oops.
that. And here.
Need help?
I got some coins. Who wants to play? Who wants to play? Hey, bud.
I'm going to try and do this without stepping on anybody.
I'm gonna play.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kyle. Let me get this some more.
Okay, I got that.
Half of this is a
Got
roll.
that.
Right here.
Oh, what?
Who wants this one?
Country songs. I hate country songs.
That's what I got thrown at.
Okay, I'm exhausted.
I made a pin spot.
That looks nothing like a pin spot. My last pin spot I made looked like Gary with no shell.
Now you take a water break.
Yeah, I have to.
I saw in the video.
You can't lie to your friends.
Stop. Where's the plate?
Why are you so
Can you lie to me this one? This is why you're evil. This is why you're evil, Gibby.
It looks amazing.
Okay, let me know
See, you can't.
when everybody's up.
How much is equipment like that?
What are you You better not
What's that?
drop it.
How much is the equipment that you have on
I
your
hope you do.
It's not that
On
much.
my back.
$100 or so.
It's a really bad one though.
Yo, wipe that off now.
It looks like a cross.
You done. You draw that on my back.
Look at it. Look at it. It's not even. It looks like it.
Let me see.
It looks like an explosion.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.